Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Paribus or PBX.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. We will be talking about PBX, and it's not financial advice. Always do your own research, and we hope you guys enjoy these videos.
So as you can see here, it's actually got a really small market cap, as it's $11 million market cap. So this could move really easily, as obviously it's a volatile market. As you can see right here, it's extremely volatile. But that's how these are. But it does actually have a lot to it, so it could be a good coin for future potential. So let's have a look into it. So as you can see, it broke its all-time high 11 days ago at 4.2 cents, and that's 50% above where we are right now. So it was at $22 million was its highest point, so therefore it's $11 million more, which is literally nothing, just for another 50% gain for this coin. So that is very good there. So if we look at its month, look at this big gain here. So obviously now we're coming down, we're consolidating, we're retesting down here. As you can see down here, literally in the last 7 days. But this could mean another pump up from here, as that's what a lot of these small cap coins do. They go all the way back down to their resistance levels, and then once they reach their resistance levels, they go and jump up. Um, so you can actually purchase this coin from Qcoin, which is probably the main way you're going to do it. That's where I did it. Qcoin is the main one I would use to purchase coins nowadays. But yeah, let's get straight into the video.
As you can see here, you can invest in DeFi. It's also redefining your yield. It's a cross-chain borrowing and lending protocol for NFTs, liquidity positions, and synthetic assets. It's also powered by the Cardano blockchain. And you can join them with the click of a button. As you can see, they've got 6 stages of their network. So you can lend, borrow, or stake your synthetic asset. And you can stake your NFT, you can stake your liquidity pool, tokens. You can share your profits, which is pretty cool as well if you can't afford to get one token. So definitely something to look into. NFT collateral based loans, so you can borrow against your investment, and you can basically borrow against your investment and make it into something where you can be risk free. And you can also liquidity pool collateral based loans where you can borrow against your AM liquidity position. So, but what this basically means is, let's say you got $1,000 into a token, and you want to borrow against it. So you can lock up your $1,000 and you can borrow against the cryptocurrency, and that way, you can gain and you can basically hedge your positions. And yeah, definitely something that if you are looking to get into, definitely something that I would recommend for you guys.
Cardano will allow Paribus protocol to remain chain agnostic and simultaneously connect innumerable assets across multiple blockchains, so that then results in cheap transactions, incredibly higher throughput, security and reliability for high value transfers, a flourishing, developing and DApp ecosystem. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you have enjoyed, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really helps us out. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.